Fratelli Tutti, Chapter 5, A Better Kind of Politics. Here Pope Francis shows us that politics is one of the most valuable forms of charity because it is placed at the service of all people. For many people today, politics is a distasteful word. Therefore, Pope Francis appeals for renewed appreciation of politics as a lofty vocation and one of the highest forms of charity. He says we see a good politician when in difficult times one upholds high principles and thinks of the long-term common good, even though often thinking of those who will come after us does not serve electoral purposes. Some issues for politicians. Politicians should be concerned about human trafficking, the marketing of human organs, sexual exploitation of boys and girls, slave labor, including prostitution, the drug and weapons trade, terrorism, and international organized crime. Politicians must realize that employment is the finest help we can give to the poor, for it is the best path to a life of dignity. World politics needs to make the effective elimination of hunger one of its foremost and imperative goals, for hunger is a crime. It is truly noble to place our hope in the hidden power of the seeds of goodness we sow, initiating processes whose fruits will be reaped by others. If someone helps an elderly person cross a river, that is a fine act of charity. The politician, on the other hand, builds a bridge, and that too is an act of charity. While one person can help another by providing something to eat, the politician creates a job for that other person and thus practices a lofty form of charity. This charity is the spiritual heart of politics. It always shows a preferential love to those in greatest need, the smallest, the weakest, and the poorest. If I can help at least one person to have a better life, that already justifies the offering of my life. Those who love and who no longer view politics merely as a quest for power may be sure that none of our acts of love will be lost. No generous effort is meaningless. No painful endurance is wasted. All of these encircle our world like a vital force.